Hey there! Let's dive into the problem we encountered. The script you provided is using the www Mechanize module to interact with an API, but it's running into an issue when sending JSON data. The server logs show that the payload being sent is being interpreted as a hash instead of JSON, leading to a bad request error message. This situation can be a bit frustrating, but fear not. A solution is at hand. The solution lies in properly encoding the hash data into JSON before sending it to the server. By using panel JSON XS, you can ensure that the data is formatted correctly. The key step here is to create a new JSON object, encode the hash data using it, and then include it in the content of the PUT request. This ensures that the server receives the data in the expected JSON format, resolving the issue. In summary, by encoding the hash data into JSON using panel JSON XS and including it in the content of the PUT request, you can ensure that the server receives the data in the correct format. With this adjustment, your script should be able to communicate with the API successfully. And with that, we've reached the end of our little journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!